Guys, welcome to my first video in 2025. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple custard roll. Stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video and you're going to be learning an amazing recipe today. In your bowl, you're going to put in 2 cups of milk. You now go in with 1 large egg, put in your sugar and give it a very good mix. I'm going to be capturing the measurements in the video. Then you put in your all-purpose flour followed by your yeast, active yeast. Okay, if you're not sure of how active your yeast is, you can do well to prove your yeast before you use. Then the last thing you're going to do, that's after mixing the dough, you're going to put in your butter. Give it a very good mix. And how do we know when our dough is well mixed? You press it, and if it pops out immediately, it means it is well kneaded. We'll now go ahead and make our custard, homemade custard. First of all, you're going to put in milk. As I've said earlier, I'll capture the measurement in the description. Put in your milk and go in with sugar. Here I have my egg yolk, just egg yolk. Then I'm going in with the cornstarch now. Give it a very nice mix, okay, until all the ingredients there incorporate well. Meanwhile, your milk and sugar should be on a very low heat, warming up, heating up and melting. Then you're going to put a portion of the milk and sugar. Please, with your vanilla, okay? Yeah, you're gonna put in vanilla flavor because it's vanilla custard, unless you are making any other type of flavor. And if you don't want the milk, you can as well do away with the milk. It's not necessary, okay? Or should I say it's not compulsory? It is not compulsory. Then you're going to keep mixing this until it smoothens. At this point, our dough is all set. I covered this dough, allow it to double its size for at least an hour. It depends on how warm your place is. Pay close attention to this, my cotton, because man, at first it seems not easy, but it's actually very easy. I'm just trying my best to make sure I get the parts equally, because if you don't get the parts equally, I'm telling you, your custard bread rolls is just gonna come out so funny. So this is my custard after refrigerating. Yeah, refrigerated. Make sure it's all frozen. Mine was not actually that frozen because I was in a hurry to meet up. I didn't want my dough to over-rise, so I had to rush it a bit. So watch closely what I am doing, okay, and do it. Yes, whatever you see me do on your screen, that is what you're going to do. So it's just like, overlapping it and you being careful so it does not cover the custard in the middle, because you want that to pop out. You want it to pop out. Let everybody know that it's custard bread rolls. This recipe is so nice, easy to make, quite easy, because nothing is actually difficult. If it is difficult, you can let me know in the comment section, and definitely I would like to help. Okay, make sure you press the tip so it doesn't open while baking, or while rising it might open. At this point, I am done and I am arranging it in my baking pan. If you have parchment paper, you can as well use. Last but not the least for this step is using your egg wash. Can you see how our custard bread rolls are sitting all pretty? The custard rolls are rolling. At this point, make sure you have preheated your oven for at least 15 minutes. Bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on the kind of oven you are using. to personally appreciate you for watching my video. Cheers to many more wonderful and amazing recipes in 2025. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and please do not forget, click on the like button. Like the video, share the video to your family and to your friends. Let them know about this beautiful and wonderful channel. Let's do amazing work in 2025. A YouTuber and you are watching me, or you're a content creator and you are watching me, I would like to tell you something today. 2025, make sure you meet up with all your goals. Do not be discouraged. Whatever it is that has happened in 2024 came with its own load, okay, and it is gone. Now is a fresh year. I would like you to start on a fresh page. Go harder, smash your goals, upload those videos, upload quality content, okay? No matter what it's gonna cost you, try your best to upgrade in the year 2025. If you want to see better result in 2025, then you don't expect to go with the mindset of 2024 to 2025, because if we keep doing what we have been doing in 2024, if we do it in 2025, what that is saying is that we are still going to get the results of 2024 in 2025. So if you want to upgrade, then we all guys upgrade our skills, be it the shooting, be it the editing, whatever it is. Please let it be on version 2.0, because this year is gonna be our year. We keep getting better and better and better each day. We keep growing, okay? We don't want to be stagnated. We don't want to be in the same position. So read books, do whatever it is you can in 2025 to be better, to grow and to smash your goals. We, the Positive Vibers community, we are all on the same page that in 2025 we are not just going to meet our goals or press on to our goals. Do you get? What we have agreed on is that we are going to smash those goals, because if they don't want to be met, we will press. If they don't want us to press, do you get? If the pressing is not pressing, we are gonna smash those goals. So join us on this journey of smashing your goals. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I truly appreciate. I'm definitely gonna be seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.